Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Inshallah, all of you are good, yeah? Okay, on this video, I will explain about mathematical communication ability. As we know that this ability is the second ability on teaching secondary mathematics in English subject. Okay, let's check the materials, yeah? Through this video, I will explain about the definition of mathematical communication ability. The second one is the indicators, and the last one is the example question. So let's see the material. Actually, when you search about the definition of mathematical communication ability, there are a lot of experts who said about it. But on this video, I just give you 4 examples definition about the ability. The first one is from National Council of Teachers of Mathematics in 2000 states that mathematical communication ability includes expressing mathematical truth by using mathematical language clearly, precisely, and succinctly, understanding others' mathematical equations and concepts. Second, Sari, 2017, said that mathematical communication ability is the ability to deliver something that is new through speech or writing dialogue about the concepts, formulas, or problem-solving strategies in mathematics. Next, Yang and others said that mathematical communication emphasizes people's interaction and exchange of mathematical ideas, which is a crucial ability for students in expressing their respective mathematical concepts, comprehending and evaluating other students' mathematical equations, and Yang. The last is from Clark and others in 2005. Said that mathematical communication is a way of sharing ideas and clarifying understanding. Okay, now we will continue the explanation about the indicators of mathematical communication ability. On this video, I'll give you 2 examples from the experts. The first one from Ansari in 2012 said that there are 3 indicators of the ability. The first indicator is explaining mathematical problem in a figure. The second, explaining problem situation by own words. And the last, stating mathematical problem into mathematical model and doing calculation to solve it. Another expert said about the indicators of the ability. The first indicator is using terms, mathematical symbols, and their structure to model a mathematical problem. The second indicator is expressing mathematical ideas orally, in writing, and in a visual descriptions. And the last one is interpreting and evaluating the visual mathematical ideas both orally and in writing. I have told you on my video about mathematical creative thinking ability. We cannot choose everything or anything the indicators that we want. That is depend on your purpose or the material that we choose. But on this video, I will choose the indicators from Ansari, that we know that Ansari said that there are 3 indicators of mathematical communication ability, such as explaining into figure, explaining by own words, and doing calculation to solve the problem. Okay, now we will see the example question of mathematical communication ability. The question is on the slide. You can read and see it first. Before we solve it, we need to know that the question is true about mathematical communication ability. The first step, we need to check is that the question have 3 indicators of the ability or not. From the previous, we know that the ability have 3 different indicators. The first one is explaining with a figure. This one. From the question B, the student needs to illustrate the problem into figure form. And the second indicator is explaining by own language. We can see the question from this one, A. The question of A is by your own word. This is the second indicator. And the last one, you need to solve the question. From the question C, we need to solve the question. So this is true that the question is a type of mathematical communication ability. So let's we solve the question, yeah. Okay, to solve this question, I think I need to answer the question B first. So I need to draw a figure of 3 lines from the question. So from the question, we know that the first lane is a square. So this is square with a side 8 meters, and the second lane is rectangular. So I think like this one. The rectangular have a width 6 meters. Okay, this is the answer of B. And the last one, or the third lane, is also rectangular with which have width is 4 meters. 4 meters. And then the length of the third lane is equal to first lane plus the second lane width. So the length of the third is like this one. Okay, I'm sorry, my figure is not really good. You can try on your book and draw the beautiful line, yeah. Okay, from the question, we also know that the position of the first line is in north. The position of the second line is boat, and the position of the third land or garden is on the right side of the second land. So the figure is like this. This is the answer of question B. So I wanna answer the question of A also. The question A is find the length of the second land. Give your reason. So because of I have three different land, I will find the area of each land. This is the first land, this is the second land, and the last land. The area of first land is side times side equals 24 meters square. The area of a second land is 6 times. I give a letter A this one. A equals 6 meters square, and area of the third land is 4 times 8 plus 6 equals 14. So this is 14 equals 4 times 14, 56 meters square. So from the three area, we can have the total area of each lane. This is 0, 12 plus 6a meters square. Okay, from the question also, we know that the total area of the garden is equal to 136 meters square. So the total area is 136 meters square equals 120 plus 6a meters square. From this one, we can find the value of A. So this is 16 meters square equals 6a. So we get A equals 8/3 meters. So this is the answer of A. And my reason is by using or find each area of lane, I can find the length of a second lane. So this is my reason. So the answer of question A is this one. Okay, now we need to answer the question C. The question is determine the mathematical expression to find the total area of land that owned by Mr. Samsudin and solve it. From the answer of A, or from the answer of the question A, we know that The total area of the 3 lanes is, this is the answer of C, 136 meters square equals 120 plus 68 meters square. This is a 16 equals 6a. So we have a equals 8/3 meters. So from A, we can find the area of the second length. 6 times 8/3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 8 equals 16 meters square. So the total area from the first length plus the second length plus third length equals 64 times 16 times 56. The total area is 136 meters square. So this is the same with the total area from the question. What do you think? Do you understand about it? If you have a question, please write on komentar, yeah? Okay, this is the end of explanation about mathematical communication ability. Thank you for watching. You can share this video also with your friends or others. If you have any question, you can write the question on komentar column. And hopefully this video is a give you knowledge about mathematical communication ability. Forgive me for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.